Good morning, students. This is for BTech 6M Textile Technology, Textile Chemistry, and Textile Engineering students under the subject Textile Testing. So, we'll try to understand the property of air permeability. It is a property of fabric, one thing. It is a measure of how well a fabric allows the passage of air through it, and it is one of the three most important properties of apparel comfort. Apparel comfort includes air permeability, moisture permeability in liquid as well as vapor form, and third is heat thermal transmission. So, air permeability is a very important property from apparel comfort point of view. It is also important for other end users also. For example, industrial filters, tents, sailcloths, parachute, airbags, etc. Now we'll try to define air permeability. The volume of air in cubic centimeter which pass in 1 second through 1 centimeter square of fabric under a pressure head of 1 centimeter of water. So under a pressure difference of 1 centimeter of water, volume of air in cubic centimeters which pass in 1 second and 1 centimeter square of fabric is called air permeability of a given fabric. Now, what is the line diagram of the instrument used to measure air permeability? It is shown here. So basically, three components are there. One is manometer, which maintains the pressure difference of 1 centimeter of water. Other is airflow meter, which measures the volume of airflow in cubic centimeters which pass through the fabric specimen at 1 centimeter pressure head difference. And here the fabric specimen is shown and air is sucked through it, and we measure the air volume of airflow. Now in this graph we can see that air permeability and cloth cover, how these two things are related. As the cloth cover of a fabric increases, air permeability decreases exponentially. It has been shown here that naturally if the cover is higher, the flow of air through the fabric will be lower, and it reduces exponentially with cloth cover. We can see it here. This is the graph between the log of the air permeability values and cloth cover, which shows a straight line. So it shows the exponential decrease of air permeability with cloth cover. One more factor which we consider, that is the effect of twist factor on air permeability. Effect of twist factor of weft or warp on the air permeability. As we increase twist factor, we have already discussed that if we increase twist factor, the diameter of the yarn decreases. So the interstitials in the fabric, amount of interstitials in the fabric will increase. So air permeability will increase with increase in weft twist factor. So now to conclude here, air permeability is the rate of airflow passing perpendicular through a known area under a prescribed air pressure differential between the two surface of material, and it depends upon yarn structure, fabric structure, fiber parameters. It depends on lots of various design parameters of the fabric. So I'll stop here and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.